This will be a short video concerning the changes for assigning ENROUT inventory. The first thing I'm going to show are the changes to the AIV screen. I'm going to use color 300668. I'm not going to specify grade because I want to show you that the samples that are ENROUT will also show up in blue. This is a new change to the screen. Anything that is ENROUT will show up in blue on the screen. I'm going to go down to the first line for finished goods where we know that we have multiple pallets, and I'm going to put an R there. This will show you too that anything that is ENROUT will show on this screen as well in blue. And an additional change is that the ETA will also display, and if there's an order number associated with this pallet, it will display as well. So a second thing I want to show you is that if we have one of those where it's just one pallet, if you will do an F5 on your screen, it will also show you the ETA, and if there's an order number, it will display out here to the side as well. Let me go back in one more time. I'm going to go down to the next line and put the R so we can see all the pallets associated with this product. And we'll see on this one that everything is ENROUT. This is the ETA, and this is just in the test system. And this is the order number that's associated with this product. So we sent a PO. What this means is we sent a PO to Belgium for the product to fulfill this order. Now, the fact that there is an order associated with the inventory is going to be important when we go over to the allocation screen. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to flip over to the order side. I've already entered an order in advance, and it's for that same product that we were just looking at. So you'll see maybe some changes to the verbiage on the screen. We will do the assignment and the allocation on the same screen. You will not have to go to two different places to do that. So it's the same as usual with an allocation. For an assignment as well, you'll put a 3, and it will show you everything that is ENROUT, just like it did in the AIV. If I page down, it shows you everything ENROUT, and it also, of course, shows you what we have in open inventory right now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to allocate this line here that's already in stock, because I want to show you what happens if I exit back out. The status is now back ordered /A, which could mean assignment or could mean allocated, but that will not change. What you will see change, what this means is you're still really one pallet or a portion of this line is still in a back ordered status. So I'm going to go back in now, and I'm going to allocate not this pallet, but I want to show you some differences. I'm going to allocate that pallet there that is ENROUT, or I'm going to assign it, in other words. So when you exit back out, you will see instead of AL for allocated, your status is now AS for assigned. So if we want to go to deallocate something, I'm going to put a 9. You will see on the deallocation screen as well what is really allocated and what is assigned. So one more thing that I want to show you. If I deallocate or deassign this pallet that is currently assigned, and I go back out to the allocation screen, I want to show you first. I'm first going to remove this, but I want to show you what happens if I try to allocate. If you recall earlier, again, there were those pallets that were associated with a different order. So if I press F5 here, again, I'll see that order number. If I try to allocate that pallet, I'm going to get an edit that tells me I cannot assign the inventories intended for a different order. And then it'll tell you if you want to see the order to press F5, and that's your order number. I leave these on the screen so that, maybe there's an order for this same product other than this current order, and you could work it out so that you could use this inventory for a different order. So even though the system will not allow you to allocate it to any order but this one, that can be worked around by a manager. So I just wanted to let you know that that ability does exist. Also, one other thing that I want to show you, You know, in the past, it would tell you if you had follow-up notes. So I want to go to F10, F11. Let me exit out of here, F11, and then F11 again. And it's going to show you that we allocated one palette, we assigned another one. It shows where we went in and de-assigned. So you still have your follow-up notes as far as the assignment, the de-assignment. So that's really the changes that are in the system that will allow you to assign inventory that is en route. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.